Taste test number 2. Glass A. Glass B. On to the taste test.
Hey, what's it called when twins are born and they're not identical?
Fraternal.
That would be like, oh, A and B.
My friend Alondra, me and all my other friends thought that she had a twin, but it's her cousin. And we were like, what?
We all got an A and a B.
They look exactly alike.
This one's Bluebell.
I can tell which one's Bluebell and not.
No, you
This
can't.
one's HEB.
Yes, you
HEB.
can. HEB
Bluebell.
has lighter ice cream.
Which one do you think?
I think
is
B. I think B's Bluebell.
B.
I think B is HEB.
I think
B's
B's Bluebell.
B's Bluebell. You can
I
tell
think
because
B's HEB.
because
I smell
HEB
it.
has lighter ice cream
All
inside.
right, everybody
A
takes
little
the
bit lighter.
A. See what you think of it. Give your honest opinion.
Bluebell.
What are you doing?
Like the wine
Like wine
connoisseurs.
I think this one's Bluebell.
Let's smell it.
Which I think is Bluebell, but I'm pretty sure it's Walmart.
HEB.
HEB. I'll try B.
They're both homemade vanilla.
I can smell this
I'm gonna
one.
try. I can smell the B. That's why I think it's Bluebell.
Never mind. This one's HEB and this one's Bluebell.
Which one do you like better?
I like A better.
Like it.